What are chakras? Chakras are located down our back from the top of our head to the base of our spine. The word chakra is the Sanskrit word for wheel. These wheels are the 7 points in our body through which the energy in our body is circulated. Each of these chakras is directly related to a particular part of the body and thus affects our general health, taking all the major systems in our body like the digestive system, reproductive system, respiratory system to our intuitions. It is vital to keep these energy wheels clear and unblocked to allow our body to function as it was designed. When our chakras are out of whack, our life feels out of balance and we can experience a lack of energy and motivation. We will understand about the root and sacral chakra in the next part. The first one is root chakra, Mooladhara. Its color is red, element earth, position base of the spine, objective it is associated with the foundations of survival, food, shelter, safety, comfort and belonging. Blocked by fear which cannot be managed. Food to heal this chakra are beets, apples, pomegranates, protein. To open this chakra, I am here, I am now, I am safe. The yoga which is involved for this chakra is Veerbhadra Asana. When this chakra is balanced, you feel strong and confident. Second, sacral chakra, Swadhisthana. Color orange, element water, position below the belly button. Objective governs connectivity, sexuality, quality of interpersonal relationships, pleasures and contentment, joy of life. Blocked by guilt. Food to heal are seeds, nuts, oranges, carrots, pumpkins. To open this chakra, I am worthy, I am a work of art. I allow my inner self to be seen and expressed. Yoga for this, Baddha Konasana. When this chakra is balanced, you feel creative and positive. Third, solar plexus, Manipur chakra. Color yellow, element fire. Position above the navel. Objective self-esteem, development of self, self-worth, freedom from shame. Blocked by shame. Food to heal yellow peppers, yellow lentils, yellow squash, oats, banana, etc. To open this chakra, I have a purpose on this planet and I have the strength and confidence and life energy I need to fulfill it. Yoga for this chakra is Purnavasana. You feel alive and have the self-esteem. Fourth one is heart chakra, Anahat. Color green, element air. Position center of chest. Objective emotionality, compassion, kindness, self-acceptance and love for the self, masculine, feminine side of an individual. Blocked by grief. Food to heal broccoli, cabbage, peas, all leafy greens. To open this chakra, I love myself unconditionally. I open my heart with compassion and unconditional love for all beings. Yoga for this chakra is Ustrasana. You will feel power of love, compassion, forgiveness and acceptance. Fifth, throat chakra, Vishuddha. Color blue, element sound. Position hollow of throat. Objective body's communication tool. Self-expression, assertiveness, expressing one's truth and being receptive of others, creative expression. blocked by lies. Food to heal: blueberries, blue raspberries, fig, kelp, etc. To open your chakra, what I say matters. I give voice to my truth and inner wisdom. Yoga for this chakra is Matsyasana. You develop the ability to clearly communicate with yourself and others. The sixth is third eye chakra, Ajna. Color indigo. Element light. Position between the eyebrows. Objective associated with psychic abilities like intuition and higher level perception, deep understanding, empathy, visualization, discernment, and self reflection. Blocked by illusion. Food to heal: blackberries, purple grapes, plums, etc. To open this chakra, I see clearly as the obstacles of my ego fall away. I trust my intuitive knowing. Yoga for this chakra is Balakasana. We will be able to access our great inner wisdom. Seventh, crown chakra, Sahasrahar. Color violet. Element thought. Position top of the head. Objective: the brain functions and central nervous system is connected by the crown chakra. It is connected with spirituality, one's belief system, revelation, transcendence, spiritual awakening, and enlightenment. It connects you to the divine, blocked by attachment. Food to heal: fresh air, sunlight, nature. To open this chakra, I am one with the universal presence that transcends space and time and pervades all that is. Yoga for this chakra is Shavasana. You develop the ability to surrender to pure consciousness. You are able to know your true nature.